Make potato pancakes from leftover mashed potatoes. A tasty mashed potato recipe served at one meal can yield a delicious batch of potato pancakes for the next. In fact, one of the most popular and satisfying meals to enjoy on a cold, winter's day is a plate of appealing potato pancakes. In addition, making potato pancakes out of leftover mashed potatoes prevents good food from going to waste. Fortunately, the process of preparing potato pancakes out of leftover mashed potatoes is a simple one. First, make sure you thoroughly wash your hands before you begin. Then, take the bowl of leftover mashed potatoes out of the refrigerator and set it on the counter. Remove a large spoonful of the mashed potatoes and shape it into a flat patty with your hands. Place the patties onto a plate. The size of each patty depends upon the preferences of the cook and on how many people will be eating the potato pancakes. When all of the mashed potatoes are in patty form, put the empty mashed potato bowl aside to wash later. Next, find a skillet or pan large enough to cook 2, 3, or even 4 pancakes at a time. Apply a light cooking spray or melt some butter in the skillet. It is important to monitor the heat of the skillet when you make potato pancakes from leftover mashed potatoes in order to prevent them from burning. Place the potato pancake patties into the skillet. Every so often, lift each potato pancake with a spatula to see if the bottom of it is brown. Once again, potato pancakes can be lightly fried or cooked until they are a dark brown. When creating potato pancakes from leftover mashed potatoes, the cook must take into account his or her family's preferences when it comes to these potato treats. Once they are finished, place the potato pancakes onto a plate. Depending on the original recipe of the mashed potatoes, serving potato pancakes with other items may add some spice to them. For instance, some families enjoy potato pancakes made from leftover potatoes that are served with a selection of their favorite condiments. Sliced onions are a spicy pairing with potato pancakes as well. They will all add some flavor to this easy meal. There are really no strict rules when it comes to what can be served alongside leftover potatoes transformed into a scrumptious collection of potato pancakes. Because of their delicious taste, potato pancakes have become a favorite meal with many families. If a cook devotes a little time and preparation, leftover mashed potatoes can become a satisfying entree. In addition, if a family is trying to control its grocery budget, mashed potatoes can serve as 2 tempting meals for a hungry gathering of people at the dinner table.